Hey guys! Welcome back.
Hey, yep, we are starting a brand new puzzle. This one is only 300 pieces. It is an easy grip. It's for us old people. So, our kids, I guess, right? Easy grip. So It is Green Acres, Morning Glory. So they're really big pieces. So what, you got something to say about it?
Yeah, look how big these are.
Yeah.
I know a couple people are probably really going to like these just because they're big. They're linen.
Yeah.
So, they just kind of feel a little different, and you probably can't see.
Can't really tell yet or see.
But they're not really glossy. They're kind of matted. So
it looks very cool to me. So, but I'm sorry, I kind of cut you off.
Good. I was gonna say, so we'll see how well it goes. The picture is just gorgeous with the purple flowers, the rooster.
Oh, this is Masterpieces. So that's, I guess, the name of the company or name of the. See, Masterpieces. So Masterpieces, and it actually even tells you a little bit about the artist on the back here. So yeah, she's a very, very interesting artist.
This should be fun.
Yeah.
So we'll see.
So we'll see. We will talk to you at the end to let you know how it went. I have a feeling it should be a pretty quick puzzle to put together.
Well, after that last one, the one before the last one.
Exactly.
Because that
was hard.
Like a month to do.
It felt like it, didn't it?
It felt like it.
Yeah, so this one will be a nice little simple one to do.
Yeah.
So. Yep. So we will talk to you guys later at the end. Go ahead and like and subscribe before you start watching us. You can always fast forward towards the end and just hear what we say about it, and we'll tell you what it was like, if we enjoyed it.
This is our first linen puzzle, so we'll see, because I already know that I don't like the 3D puzzles, so I'm learning here and there.
Yeah.
What?
Hopefully this one's not like that, because the 3D puzzle was very hard to see for us.
Yeah.
So I don't know.
And that's not the 3D puzzle that people are doing now, where they put it together.
And it actually is.
We've
3D.
Never tried those.
No, it's like a.
It was flat.
Flat with 3D image on it. So
yeah.
The other one will be fun. One of these days we might be able to get and do one of those. So
yeah, hopefully.
All right, guys. We'll see you at the end.
Bye. Green Acres is the place to be. Isn't that how the theme song is?
It's how it goes, yeah. I don't know the rest of it.
I don't know either.
Something like that. Anyhow, guys, we're back. We finished that puzzle, as you noticed, and it was nice. It was uncomplicated, very easy. Yeah, we got it done.
So nice.
Yeah, we got it done in like probably about an hour. So yeah, so not too bad.
I like the feel of the linen puzzle pieces.
Yeah, yeah.
And the last one that we did that had pieces that were that big was the kitty.
Or the family one, right?
No, yeah, it was the family kitty selfies.
Yeah, the kitty selfies.
And they were about the size of your palm.
Yeah, because they one side was really big, and then they got smaller. On the other side, it was a little bit smaller pieces. So that was kind of cool. But this one, it was all pretty much. I mean,
all big.
Yeah, all big pieces, no small pieces. So this is perfect for people that have arthritis or any other kind of eye issues.
Eye issues.
Yeah, or hearing issues, because you know how much puzzles talk. And then
he's talking about me.
Anyhow, I'm not. Okay.
I make his ears ring.
Yeah, it's not old age, it's her.
It is. My mom has the same problem with me. I just talk.
Yeah, that's okay though.
I'm going to send out to the puzzle group a picture of this puzzle. I think a couple people have already claimed that they want to do it.
I think so, yeah.
It's definitely going to go out to the circle, and then from there I think every circle has their own circle, so it'll go back to the original people, and then eventually it'll come back to us.
Yep.
Those are all the details, but
yeah, now that you guys know or need to know or whatever.
Yeah.
But
the
that's
life
okay.
cycle
of our puzzles.
Puzzles.
Yeah, because it's very interesting, the ones that we get back and the ones that we haven't seen back yet.
Yeah.
And then, of course, the ones that we get from other people that were like, oh, wow, where'd you get this one, kind of thing. So, yeah.
And then there's a couple that I have that are still sitting on the shelf, because I don't know how easy they're going to be.
Yeah, yeah, we're being kind of chicken on those, so.
We are.
You know, if you think we should start doing some harder ones, give us a thumbs up.
You guys already know. It took us a month to do one, and then one of them, the 3D one.
Yeah, we couldn't finish the 3D one because neither one of us could see it. Really.
Yeah, so it was the flat one that was the 3D.
Yeah, not the ones that build up.
That build up. Which maybe we could try.
Yeah, I think that one would probably be easier than a 3D one.
Maybe I'll put that on my Christmas list.
Yeah, there we go.
So we'll see. But anyways, this one, the Green Acres, was beautiful. I would definitely do another one, and
the picture is actually really cool. It'd be something kind of neat to hang up in a kitchen or something if you had if you have the picture.
Yeah. So. On the side, it has more puzzles that you can get. So I don't know. This cow one is so cute. Look at it.
So this one was called Morning Glory. It was 300 pieces. It is by Masterpieces, which I think is a U.S. company. This was made in China.
Yeah, but look, Masterpieces Inc. is in Arizona.
Oh, okay.
Arizona.
It's I guess maybe an Arizona company that makes their stuff in China.
I wonder if you can take a
So this one actually says that it's 100% recycled board and eco-friendly soy-based inks on all puzzles and packaging. So that's cool.
I'm gonna look this up because it might be fun to see if we can do a tour.
Oh yeah.
That would be neat.
That might be pretty neat, yeah.
So
see what they have.
Okay, guys.
All right, guys. Thank you for watching this, and we will talk to you on the next one.
Bye.
Bye.